All right, here we go. So this is just a little flower drawing that we're going to do. We're going to start out, we have our guidelines, we have our 1/2 inch border, horizontal, vertical guideline, and we're going to go ahead and start out with a couple of really soft gesture lines like this, giving us an idea of where our flower stems are going to come here. So we're going to start out with 3 little gesture lines just like this, and you can see I have a light pre-draw in here on my flower. So you want to pay attention to just the lines that are the dark ones here that I'm starting to put in. Now from that beginning there, you can kind of see my really light guidelines here. We're going to come off the middle of this guideline and we're going to come up and out. Okay, so it's going to look almost like a modified kind of Y shape like this. Okay, once we have that in there, I'll put my hand in here so I can get a better focus. We're going to come across like this, and we're going to connect to our Y. All the rest of the petals are actually also going to come from this same center part here. So we're going to take a nice big petal that comes out and around like this, and back down into the middle. Okay, you'll have a little bit of this petal sticking out there. Next petal is going to come from in here as well. It's going to come from here and it comes out and around, and then it comes from underneath this way, like so. Try and get this smoothed out for everybody here, just like that. Okay, next thing we do is we're coming back from that middle and we're coming all the way up here like this for the top. And again, this is actually a plumeria, so I just draw that kind of so it fades back down into here. It is going to erase out, but we want to make sure the overlap is correct. And our final petal, again from the middle coming up, this is a nice big petal, a little bit wider. It'll come out and it'll come down this way. Okay, so really pretty simple so far. Now along the edge of our guideline down here, we're going to take our stem, we're going to bring it, and it's going to come up and gets wider at the top. So just like this. Everything inside this particular petal in the front is going to erase out. Just like that. And then the next thing you have is you have these 2 petals here that are going to be in front of the back 2 petals. So we're going to go ahead and clear those out as well, guidelines and all. So we're going to take that out of there. And then the last thing is this petal that's the larger one in the back here does overlap this one. So we're going to clear out the inside here like this, and the one that is the farthest back is going to be this one here. Now this petal here actually has a little bit of a lip to it, so we're going to take and we're going to come up and around, and right when it goes around the curve it'll disappear and kind of blends right into the edge like so. This one here is going to have a similar look, but it's kind of to the side, so it comes down like this. Alright, and then we'll move on down to our next project here. So we're going to come in here, we're going to draw in sort of a trapezoid here like this, so it comes up at different lengths here. And what will happen is it's just going to have a little bit of a jagged edge right here where the bud is going to be coming out. Now where our middle line is here, we'll come up, we're going to spin it out to the side here so it flares out a little bit and comes in. And then the other side has a nice little curve, but it's a little shorter on the curve here. Okay, so pretty simple so far. Now we're going to come over to this one. We're going to follow our guideline here on the outside for the stem. Comes out like this. It kind of widens out at the tip down there, so it's going to come up, comes out like this, and it kind of gets wider or opens up. Right where we have our guideline here, we're going to take a little triangle like this and come out for this petal here around the top. And we'll follow it with another little curve coming up. And you can see we have another curve down here, so we'll go ahead and put this one in. This, always easier to pull your pencil, so it's always easier to start at the top. And then we have the opening of the flower here. Okay, it's just going to be a little oval, little wiggly oval, and another little petal that's kind of back here in the back. Okay, so that gives you an idea of how that works. We have a little blurred out bud over here in the corner, so we're just going to draw a nice little shape here. And then the next thing we do is we're going to work on the color. So you can see we have another picture of it here where we've started the color. We've started with a nice light blue background, and then we have a little bit of a yellow and a little bit of a green in here. This is just a base tone kind of golden yellow here with a little bit of a lime or a spring green blocked in. These are separate, they're not overlapping. All right, thanks for watching.